Hello guys, Global Studio here today for Autocad tips and tricks. In this video we will learn how to convert an image file into an Autocad file. So without any delay, let's get started. Go to Google and search for house drawing. You can try any of the drawing, but in this video we will try one of the simple drawings. Come below and select any of the drawing and then take the snapshot of that. And then take the snapshot of this drawing and then save it in a folder. Open new tab in Google and type image to Autocad. Open the first link. As you can see here, Convertio. Open the Convertio link. As you can see guys here, it is telling to choose the files. Open the folder where you saved the file and then drop the image here. It is telling PNG to DXF file. And you can convert this image to different formats, as you can see here, but I want to convert this file into DXF so that I can open it in a AutoCAD file, and then click to convert. It will take some time to convert. As you can see, my image is converted into DXF file, and now you can able to see the download link here. Click to the download link and download the file, and then open the folder where the drawing is located, and then double click to this drawing. As you can see guys here, my image file is converted into drawing file. So this is how we can convert any image into drawing file. I believe this is one of the very important trick you can use in your daily tasks. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you learned anything from this video, then please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. We will meet again in the next video with new tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.